Man, bit bro. Yes, Mandem FC, we are live in the chat. In the chat. Yes, guys, good morning. Getting the live session in right now. So yeah, we have to lock in now, innit? So we're on the grind. Yesterday, I did I did something yesterday. So it's nothing crazy. I'm just talking about my analysis. Turn on the lights, bro. Let's get some lights in the room, bro. Yeah, man, let's have some lights in the room. Oh yeah, I did my analysis yesterday on GU and I marked out the previous day low. My bias for the day is bullish, yes. And we ran the previous day low. So with this being said, I can look for I'd look for a retracement back down into the back down into London, I should say. And yeah, I'm back down into London. So if you get a retracement down there, I'd look to go long, honestly. Bias and Nasdaq is also bullish, honestly. These are some buys from yesterday. So I will actually look and see how we react from these areas, honestly. Gotta have the bagel, bro. Trust. I think we have news today as well. Yeah, we have news for the rest of the week. We got news 9 a.m. Results, the job openings. Tomorrow we got news at 7:15. Ooh, that one's early, bro. Friday 7:30. Ooh. Good morning to whoever is watching right now. I appreciate your support as always. Screen is a bit messy, bro. Oh yeah. Bullish bias on the day. Let's see what the guys are saying in the Discord. Trading. I'm not trading EU, bro. The guys are live, but I can't watch the live sessions, bro. Unfortunately. Being bullish on the day, what more can we do? This can be a medium inducement. My thing is, yeah, whenever we get this flush below the London session, like this, we swept Asia low. We induced the demand, the 30-minute demand. I do think we're gonna close the day bullish. No one will have entered, only the internal change of characters. Because we made the inducement, but the high is all the way up here. So just these internal lows, only entry possibly. Like for traders, not for me, because I wouldn't enter right there. But yeah, on the M5, it's different. Have the low, the end of this would be like an aggressive NTY because of how strong we came down into the area. So let's say this is a change. M5 change of character. I got in a reaction. You have this high as a medium inducement. Potentially. Sellers are gonna look to enter. If you get a reaction from it, that's what you want to see. Because that's gonna generate buy side liquidity to target. If we induce this high, trade down into this POI, the fair value gap, to go long, that'd be ideal. Then let's mark midnight open. 7 a.m. I think my video is gonna release at 8 a.m. So I got a video on the channel that's gonna come out soon. You guys can stay tuned if you're interested in that. If not, it's fine. Yeah, we have this supply. I do have this supply as a potential smart money trap. Even though we didn't break it, I still have it in mind. Looking to take it out as well, honestly. So yeah, no real sweep on NQ. Is it one of those bullish days where we don't have a sweep below and we just have the expansion? It's fine when midnight open. Bro, you see with this now, my thing is, yeah, sometimes we don't have to, like when you don't have a sweep, sometimes price can just expand, bro. That's the part I hate. Or let's say I have a bullish bias. I don't want to see price at least come close to the midnight open for me to go long. You get me? You sit here and see what's gonna happen. Do we have a medium inducement? That's what traders wants to see. This is just the market giving them what they want to see, you know? It's just the market giving them what they want to see. How long will we be streaming for today? Let's see how long. Okay. The volatility for Nasdaq, it's not gonna kick in until like 8:30, so an hour from now. Having a medium inducement on GU. This medium inducement is now gonna lead to a change of character. All of this, bro, this is what they want to see to enter. Telling you. We're gonna have guys going short. You just have to wait. Because you're gonna see it as, oh, okay. We're gonna have a change right here. Change of character. Then they're gonna have this as the supply. Then they're gonna look to sell from here to go down. So to make it easier, show you that what they're gonna be behind this. Why? How do I know? Because I used to trade this way. So they want to see a change. They're gonna mark the supply. Say this is a supply. They see price break, trade back up into the supply, mitigate, give a shift, and they're gonna look to go short. That's what they're gonna see. A typical move of a SMC. And on the other hand, what do we have? We have a break. We have buyers entering right here. Just right now, buyers are gonna enter. Trend traders, they're gonna enter right here. The stop loss is gonna be below the low, and they're gonna look to target the high like this. It's not a bad trade, but I'm telling you, traders are gonna get taken out, bro. All of this is just gonna generate liquidity that's gonna be taken later. You get me? So yeah. So these early buys right here, they're gonna get taken out. Why? Because the market has been trending up. We have a sweep from this medium inducement. It's gonna give a reaction. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. These guys are probably panicking as well. Why? Because they got tagged. They're now in drawdown. See, they got taken out. Not fully, but if they were like a prop firm with like high spreads, some of them got taken out. I'm telling you, we don't have to call any names, but yeah, those guys have gotten taken out. Just watch and see. The market reveal its hands, bro. I still see what we have. Take a glimpse on the weekly. You know what we're bearish on the weekly. It's Wednesday. It's gonna be a bullish week, bro. I expect this high to get taken. Take a glimpse on the daily. We are bullish on the daily time frame. So given the sweep during London and now waiting for a pullback. That's all you can say. Price now pushing from the demand. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Telling you, bro. See, the demand got induced, so the aggressive sellers got taken out. The buyers, I should say. Why? Because the surplus is going to be just below the demand for like 2 pips. I'm telling you. You have guys that will put their surplus at 2 pips, trying to catch sniper entries. Crazy, bro. Like 3 pips is okay. You know, if they had the surplus of 3 pips, they'd be in the trade. Khalas, you don't want no more than this. And to take that high to go, bro, you don't want any more than that. So this classifies a medium inducement or a change of character, I should say maybe. It depends. So if we break that high, then this is more of an inducement, you know? That's if we break the high. So this demand is not valid because we broke it as anticipated. So it's put in red. And then we have the supply. So if we respect the supply, then we can say it's a change. So let's see. Yeah, so we're just looking and seeing what price is doing. We're in the supply now, so let's just see how price will react from this area. Because yeah, the demand they got induced, but then if it's a change of character, then the supply has to be respected. You get me? So that's just what we're waiting on. Just want to see the reaction from the supply. I know we're gonna have traders that's gonna enter right here who might get taken out. And if they get taken out, it's a clear sign that buyers are in control. Why? Because we have an inducement of the demand, and then we have a break of structure to the upside. So it's opposing liquidity sitting right now. We already took the sell side meaning buyers. So we already took the buy side, the buyers out with the stop losses being so close, like 2 pips. But yeah, those lot, those lot are gone. So yeah, let's just wait and see how the supply zone reacts to this price, or how price reacts to this supply zone, I should say. Let's just see, man. Let's just see how this reacts, bro. Maybe we'll break it, maybe not. My knee is killing me, bro. Oh, it is. Oh, my days, man. Okay, so we've just broken out the supply. So this supply zone is not valid. Yeah, we've broken it. Weak demand and weak supply. This is more of an inducement, not really a change. So this is more of a run of liquidity, money inducement to fuel price higher. Yeah, simple. And this is a simple trade as well, bro. For the guys who had taken it onto for target, and let's see. If you didn't have a 2 pip surplus, you're good. Inducement below go down. Yeah. My thing is, when we have a sweep below like this, I always expect that price is gonna come down into this and then go long. But we don't have to do that. We gave a made an inducement, give a reaction, a false reaction. Or we can say this is just the vector candle sweep, like liquidation sweep. Sweep, looking for another change of character, we'd have to run this low. Let's go in the M3 to make sure. Yeah, it's not valid, so we'd have to run this low. And yeah, just have to wait. This market is running like crazy. It's based off this reaction from the inducement as well, in it. So yeah. Okay, so let's just get back to this. Apologize for this inconvenience. I apologize. Yeah, man. I just play the waiting game, bro. Literally, that's all we're doing. Bro, looking at this Nasdaq thing, bro, like we have a break above, we have a fair value gap. I'd want price to come like within this area to at least go long. Like come into the area and then see how it reacts. And GU, we're now coming down. So this can be a sell model. Why? Sweep taking out early sellers. Label this vector candle liquidation. And then we'd have to get another change, which we just got a while ago, I think. If I'm not mistaken, so let's take this off. And then, yeah, we have a change. With that change of character, looking to go long from anywhere right here, looking to go short anywhere right here. This is the RIFC of the zone. Or the block right there. Entry would be right at the supply. Stop loss above for like 9 pips. 9 pips is okay. Where do we target? The daily open. Target this low. 1 to 2. Simple, clean, and yeah, something like this, bro. But would I take this? No, I wouldn't. Being that I'm not having I don't have a bearish bias on the day. Do expect us to go bullish, so I wouldn't take that trade. In all honesty. So yeah. You just have to wait. Let's see what we have right here. Just have to wait, bro. For this scam. We're just looking and see. Maybe this will get tagged, maybe not. I have a demo account on my MT5. I'll take the trade on that. Just burn on my funded because it's not within my plan. 11 pips, bro. 11 lots, I should say. Sell limit 34 149. That would be the trade. Let's see if he'll get tagged in it. We just wait. Just wait and see, bro. Double video releasing in a few minutes. And disclose it. It's about understanding the market, open, high, low, close. That's what it's going to be about. It's already scheduled, so it's just about jumping up in like 11 or so. You get me? So yeah, man. Just waiting on that, bro. And then just locking in. There's nothing but here to do. Just have to play the waiting game. Before I would have took this sell, like the way I was trading before. I would have took that sell. But you know, it's not bad. Really look at it. My take is that, we're reacting from a daily PDRA. So at least we have a huge imbalance to be filled, bro. So that's why I don't want to be selling right there. Yeah, it's short term and whatnot, but you know? Oh, my knee hurts so bad, bro. What time I wanna just, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so you would have gotten tagged in the trade, those who have entered right there. And yeah, just see how it goes yet. We're running all the way up. Let's see on the M3 how it looks. was actually a better entry right here in M3. So probably just got tagged. It is what it is though. So yeah. Bro, my knee hurts so bad. So, 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 so. Waiting. These guys gonna be taken out as well. That the case? Yes, it is. So you have those sellers gone taken out. Why? Simply because, oh man, it's mad. Those guys have got taken it. But yeah, these guys have gotten taken out as well. I would have gotten taken out if because I used to, as I said, bro, like if it was one time, normally whenever I see a sweep, that's when I'm looking to sell, you know? And yeah, bro, it's just not it, honestly. Pure manipulation, bro. These are not sweeps. These are not change of characters. They're just sweeps that lead in price to go make new highs. That's all. That's all it is, bro. You get me? Some highway robbery. It's literally just causing price to go make new highs. Remember, bro, you don't have a sweep until price respects the area. So none of these broke below are sweeps. You get me? None of these broke below are sweeps, bro. Whenever you get a sweep, price will go on and respects the area, bro. It's now 8, bro. Almost 30 minutes to go or thereabout. It's pure waiting game, fam. Inducement after inducement, leading price higher. That's all we're getting. And wait, fam. Bro, I have to get some ice to put on my knee. I'll be back. Because this is not normal, bro. Yeah, we are live again. Waiting for 8:30, bro. Bro, I tell you guys, bro, trading is not a fun thing, bro. It's not like, oh, you're gonna go to the chart and it's party time. It's sit and wait, bro. You get me? It's just sit and wait. Just have to wait, bro. Buys, yes, we're bullish. Really and truly, I'm waiting for the 8:30 open to see how Nasdaq is gonna react. Yeah, we took this London high, and that's all. These so far liquidity being generated, bro. Honestly, took London high. Traders look to enter. Medium inducement. Buy side liquidity. Right there. This is the low that led to the high. To that high. To that. So we had the shift, but price haven't really came back into the supply on NQ. So yeah, we had the change of character, but price we didn't come back into the supply. We filled the fair value gap, and that's it. No, we have what? We have a build up of liquidity. M1 supply right here, unmitigated to some extent. And yeah, we wait because we already filled the gap, or at least some of it. So yeah, now you wait. And this is the last low we created. So we failed to break low the first time. Then we came and we break the low. And one break. This is the supply zone. Failure, push down, decisional supply. This is one that caused the break. We just mitigated it. And let's see how we react. My take, I would want to see price sweep all of this to then give another shift to go lower. But I'm not selling from here, of course. On have a bullish bias. I anticipate the day to close bullish. So that's what we're keen on doing, just looking to buy. Sorry. Yeah, video should be out now. Share the channel again. It's not 8 a.m. Yeah, got 1 views, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to change the thumbnail. The thumbnail probably gonna have to be changed. That made you a better trader, bro. Books are dead, man. Waiting on the 8:30 open for Nasdaq. I just want to see how price will react. That's all. So we have a few more minutes. We have like 18 minutes to wait on the open on NQ. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. NQ coming to the supply. Let's just see how it reacts. Mandem FC. NQ tops the supply. What else can we expect? Yeah, it's not reacting. Really not get the sell off we're looking for? Maybe, maybe not. Just have to wait and see, bro. Almost 8:30, bro. Almost. Almost 8:30. 39 minutes, bro. 9 minutes. Yo, Nasdaq reacts, bro. That's all I wanna see. 8 minutes. I just wanna see the open. So we're still waiting on that. So we're just waiting. Yeah, NQ is reacting. We're just waiting, bro. Yeah, almost 8:30. Almost, bro. Almost. NQ displacing. But yeah, we just wait. You see GU not yet. News coming out at 9. So, just waiting to see what's gonna happen, bro. NQ. Yeah, we did have the medium inducement into this mitigation. Just what we want to see. Let's play the waiting game. What can you do? Anticipation. This low need to get taken. we're gonna continue bearish, we need to take this low. You get me? So if we're gonna continue bearish price, I wanna see price coming down here to take that low. This low. And then if once we take this, we can classify this as a proper inducement that led to a low. But we're not getting the 830 open, so yeah. Can we trade this down into this? Yes, we can trade it down into that, but oh, bro. I honestly don't know. Ah, yeah, we're getting the displacement on NQ. We're bullish on the day. I had a bullish bias on the day. We rejected the area. Almost 830. Just watching price, seeing what it does. Probably 1 to 2 hit by now, I think so. Clean. Yeah, that would have been a 1 to 2 hit. Yeah. 830. Open. That's what I wanted to see. Let's see how we wrap. Look below. This is a breaker block. This is a breaker block within a fair value gap. Enter off. Would I enter off this? No. Well, it is a breaker within a fair value gap. Price taps it. Taps the breaker. Go below expected. Again to go to the upside. Maybe. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about with NQ. This is their 30 move. This is what everyone is talking about. Look at it melting. I think this is the move everyone is talking about, bro, with NQ. 8:30 open, market bells below. That's what we want to see. Now for me, look to go long, yes. Where? It will be right here. So let's just monitor this fair value gap. Just monitor that fair value gap, bro. You get me? Just monitor it. This is a run below that everyone is talking about. We don't have a sweep, but we have a limit. Below London, below Asia. Yeah, then it will look something like this. Crazy. Yeah, I'm just watching in queue, bro. About to end the stream anyways, because it's about time. Yeah, it's a dead day so far, you know. Is what is, but I'm just gonna watch NQ. I in NQ more because yeah. So yeah, we'll just watch and see how the market play out. And yeah. Will you get a buys on JU? I don't think I get the buy that I wanna see. Price is just expanding to the upside. I'm not gonna force it. NQ preferably. I'd look to enter an NQ. So just gonna wait and yeah. Anyways, this is it, guys. Your boy JB. Thank you a lot for tuning in. Catch you a lot in the next one. Peace.